I'm clicking on my start menu, clicking on my name, and here currently I have two accounts. This is my admin account and this is a different account. Now I will make this John account admin. So first of all, make sure to sign into your PC from the admin account. Now open the search option and find out control panel. Open control panel. From here, open user accounts. In here, we can see currently this account is administrator or admin. All you have to need, click on manage another account, and here click on the account, which account you want to make admin, and now click on change the account type, and here we have to select administrator. Now click on change account type, and that's how you can actually change administrator on our PC.